Kasi nandito po pala yung wifi namin.
Jacob, phone ko. Hi, tatay. Ano, tatay, relax ka today. Tay, relax ka? Magsiswimming ka sa pool? Ayun, oh. Ayun, oh. Yung view. Tingnan mo naman ang view. Oh my goodness. Merong mother-in-law suite.
This is shinare ko sa'yo.
Kurtina, no, tay? Inaano dyan yung view. Tatakpan mo. Tatay talaga. I love that. Nasaan yung second floor?
Share ko na din sa'yo.
I like that all the rooms have bathrooms. And the view. Oh my goodness. We'll just stay here.
Wala, bumalik si Jared. Because
Ang stairs sa taas. Ito?
Ay, pero malapit na room lang po yun.
Okay. Okay. Staff room.
may weekly.
Okay. I love it.